back to another video of my channel.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to draw this realistic hair. I have uploaded its video in which I drew the details of the face. You can see the eyes and nose and all and all. So today I'm going to draw the hair. This is the reference photo. You can see, and this is the drawing which I drew. The reference photo looks quite better because the details are not visible. I'm going to use 10B pencil, a 2B mechanical pencil, a brush for blending, a kneadable eraser, and any highlight eraser. I made it on my own with a mechanical eraser tip. So you can see. You can use also Tomomonozi or any Kohinoor eraser. You can use any. But you just have to get the highlights. You can see I have drawn rough lines like this. I draw this to give the basic shape in which I'm going to shade using a dark 10B pencil. So this is the pencil I'm going to use. I just draw it. You can also use this method for drawing perfect hairs. I just give the directions with the pencil in which I'm going to draw.
Website, the link is in the
Yeah. So guys, I've completed everything, like the hairs, the face, everything you can see. And I shaded the background with charcoal pencil. It's look quite dark and it's will just pop out. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to draw the dress of this old man. The dress texture I uploaded the last video, so go and see it. Now just to see the hairs, I just highlighted them. It was a little whitish, so I highlighted them. In the next, I'm also going to show you how to draw the mustache of the old man.
I tell a nigga don't dick ride, don't blink ride, leave it to the double thick thighs, twin sisters, drop it down and wobble wobble.